Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Episode 2 this week. Today I'm going to try my hand at a recipe recommended to me by Benidorm Mike. He calls them Russian meatballs. I'm calling them garlic meatballs. They're going to have a lot of garlic in, so should be very tasty. As well, we're going to do a tomato sauce with a bit of spaghetti for, of course, Mum and Dad. I'll obviously have chips with them, all homemade as well. Should be fun. Ingredients I've got, guys, are again same as last week: clover, garlic. Got the eggs to bind the minced meat together, help me make them into the meatball shape. Of course, I've got minced meat, and at the back there, the spaghetti. Then of course later I'll get my chips out, ready to do that. So, to start off, guys, I've got to prepare the clove of garlic, so I'll go do that. See you in a minute. Okay guys, that's 2 bits of garlic to cut up. Then we'll move on to the next part. Okay, nice pile of garlic there. Pretty big bits as well, because I want the meatballs to be super garlicky. Can't wait, guys. Okay guys, so time now to put the meat in the pan, mix it with the garlic and egg, and make the meatballs. Oh God. Right, so time to put the meat in the bowl. Put the rubbish in the bin, guys. Put the garlic in. Probably better if I scrape it off the plate. So that's the garlic in the bowl now. Time to crack the egg, or try to at least. Okay. Put the eggshell in the bin, then try make some meatballs. Okay guys, we got the mixture in the pan, the minced meat, garlic and the egg. Gonna mix it together now, make the meatballs. That's a bit big. Nice sized meatball there guys. Put it on the cooking tray. Got to make sure I get some garlic in them as well to give them that nice garlicky taste. Just trying to keep the garlic on the inside. Another one there guys. Tons of garlic in it. Gonna be nice these. Just a bit like using Play-Doh really guys. Trying to sort of make them of equal size, but not as easy as it looks. Okay guys, so meatballs prepared. Some are different sizes. Some have more garlic in, i.e. that one right there. Looking forward to them. Ovens preheated to 175 degrees. Should roughly take about 20, maybe 30 minutes to cook. Can't wait to try them. Okay, that's the meatballs in the oven. Can't wait to give them a taste. Right guys, meatballs in the oven. Got me chips ready to go in as soon as the meatballs are done. Time to boil the spaghetti. Got some there guys. Should be enough, and just sort of talk about the trunk myself. Snap it in half so it. Oh crap. Oh well, that's failed. I've dropped half of it on the oven guys. Right, don't wait for the spaghetti to go soft. Okay, meatballs done. Time to get them out the oven. Right, time to put my chips in. Open the oven back up. Hopefully I don't burn any, guys. Right, that's my chips in. Okay, so I've done the spaghetti already. Gonna put the meatballs in the pot now, just using a spatula. Look, absolutely tasty, guys. Can't wait to dig in. Some are so big and garlicky, some not so much garlic in. So pretty much a mixture for any taste, guys. Probably should be about 6 for each one of us as well, so not too bad. I did of course use 2 packs of minced meat, cost about $1.40 each from the supermarket next door, so pretty cheap as well, to be honest. Okay guys, sorry about that. $2.40 a pack. I've put the kilo in. Gonna cut the sauce open, pour the sauce in. Tomato frito, basically what us English know as tomato puree. Pour it all over the meatballs. And to get it all out, guys, make use of all of the pack. Okay. Go put the pack in the bin. Okay, time to put the gas back on, guys, just to cook the sauce up. Trusty wooden spoon, just going to mix it up in the sauce. Okay guys, spaghetti's done, meatballs done. Going to drain off my spaghetti with a sieve over the sink. Still some in there. Just go get the fork, just scrape it out the pan. There we are. And that side of the sink for my cameraman to do washing up later. Then just sort of try plate it up equally. No favouritism. Okay everyone, spaghetti's been plated up. Time to put 6 meatballs, maybe more each. So, scoop them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push that to back. Move the next plate over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably got a few more there. Doing 7. Okay, guys. Who made meatballs with a twist? Bit of garlic in them, Worcester meatballs, garlic meatballs, call them what you want, but they'd be tasty. Bon appetit.
Thank you. It's filming.
Okay, guys. Time to dig in and give the meatballs a taste. Nice meaty bits. Oh God. They're strong in garlic, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10 from me.
They're so nice, I'm just stuffing my face. Sorry, guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that one. Great big chunk of garlic in it. Absolutely tasty, really nice. Well done, Marcus. You know I'm cooking duties forever.
Cheers, Mum.
Poor old Dad's cameraman, he can't eat.